What's up guys, welcome to I'm On Traveling. My name is Raul and this is Stella, and today we're going over the top 4 accessories for your dogs and your jet ski. I'll go over the accessories towards the end of the video, but in the meantime I want to show you guys how Stella did while riding jet ski. And if you have any questions regarding how I recorded this video, which accessories or which mounts I use, definitely watch this video up here or this video. I don't know where it's at, but it's gonna be somewhere up here, right Stella? Where's it gonna be at? Up here? But in the meantime, let's go, let's have fun. Good girl. Me and Stella are riding jet skis. We're going, here in Jacksonville, we're going to Fort George now, which is a little sandbar where everybody just pulls up and anchors up, and it's an incredible time. I have this backpack, the front facing backpack. I got some sunglasses, that way she's protected. So we're ready to go, rock and roll. Let's do this, Stella, you ready? Let's go. This is her first time on the water. She is behaving like a champ. I'm proud of her. Good job, Stella. So we made it to Fort George. Stella is loving life. Very important, get one of these right here. This is a compartment, a bowl, some water for Stella. There you go. She loves this. Everybody's coming up to us, talking about the glasses, first of all, talking about her in general, talking about the vest. Obviously, every dog has a different personality, but Stella, for the most part, has been really comfortable. And I showed you guys the water. You guys definitely need to bring some water for your dogs because the salt water will definitely get them thirsty. But she is loving this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And bro, you don't even invite me to a rib? Unbelievable. What about Stella, bro? She wants a little piece, bro. What you got here? I got you. I'm gonna give you a piece. Gotta get her a little snack, you know? Careful. Stella has been enjoying life a little bit too much today. Too much of this, right? She's still trying to swim. Alright guys, so today was an exciting day. Me and Stella and my boy Evan, who's recording right now, we're able to go out to Fort George in Jacksonville and ride the jet skis. But I want to tell you guys about the 4 accessories that I used today for Stella. If you like this kind of content, definitely hit subscribe and like. Stella will really appreciate it. So all the accessories that I'm going to talk about today, I'm going to put them on the description below. That way you guys can buy them. But this is a front-facing backpack that you just put up here, put the dog in here, and obviously zip them up. So this is a great backpack. Don't get the ones for the back, because the thing is, when you're riding the jet skis, they do get a little bit uneasy sometimes, and she starts to move around. So you want to have your dog at least in front of you, in case they start moving a lot. You can actually like control them and just grab them on if anything. Secondly, I didn't use this today only because the weather was a little bit chilly. But if the weather is actually hot, sorry for that interruption. All right, back to the show. But if the weather is actually a pretty hot day, the dogs will get hot, especially being in this. So I did buy an ice pack. It's pretty thin, as you can see. I didn't use it today, but the purpose is just put it behind her. I will put a towel around it, that way she's not like freezing with it. But essentially that's the purpose of this, in case it is really hot. Secondly, or thirdly, the most important accessory that I bought today, actually they're all really important, but these 2 right here are critical. So when you're riding jet ski with the dogs, just like us, we need sunglasses to protect us from the sun or the waves, the splashing. So these right here were clutch, strap right here for the bottom or for the top. These did not come off, not once, unless I took them off. So they're pretty secure, and it's a great, great choice for your dogs. But this right here was instrumental for today. She was obviously very hungry. She was very thirsty. Called a hydrator from Koala Pow, and essentially it's a water bottle. Obviously, as you can see, there's still ice in here. I filled this up about 9 hours ago. It's a water bottle, but it also turns into a tray, the water. But you could also have food. So if you pack food for her, you have a food bowl. So this was amazing. She used it all the time. If you're gonna get any accessories, get these 4 accessories for your dogs when you're riding jet skis, because I think these are the most critical ones you need. I will tell you one thing, she is 23 pounds. This is a large, which fit her perfectly, so just for reference. And this is a medium goggle. Once again, she's 23 pounds. She's a mini Australian Shepard, so for reference. And like I said, I'll put all the descriptions and items below.
Stella did as a champ. I don't think, she didn't seem uncomfortable. She didn't seem uncomfortable at all on the jet ski while you were holding her. Just like everyone loved it. As you see, so many people come up to you and take photos and videos, so it's definitely like a cool conversation starter.
This was her first time on the water. This was my first time using any of these gear, so she definitely held up. But not just that, I say this because it's actually, this gear works. So if you're considering buying something, definitely buy one of these accessories.
You're at 10 paws.
Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with us today. See you later.
Bye.
Bye, Stella. All right.